17 years ago, these pictures of smiling American guards abusing Iraqi prisoners shook the world, uncovering the dark side of the US's war on terror. The gut-wrenching pictures of sexual abuse, humiliation, and torture of detainees at Abu Ghraib prison sent Washington into damage control. Few things undermined the US's claim that they were helping bring democracy to Iraq more than the scandal at Abu Ghraib.
The American people are just as appalled at what they have seen on TV as the Iraqi citizens have. The Iraqi citizens must understand that, and therefore there will be a full investigation and justice will be served.
Abu Ghraib was notorious for torture since the era of Saddam Hussein. But after the US invasion of Iraq, it was turned into a US Army detention center for captured Iraqis. During the US invasion, the prison housed many innocent civilians. According to a Red Cross report from 2004, approximately 70 to 90% of the prisoners were mistakenly detained. Most of them were picked up in random military sweeps and checkpoints, and many of them were women and teenagers. In April, nearly 4 months later, the Abu Ghraib scandal broke when CBS News' 60 Minutes broadcast photos showing Iraqi detainees being humiliated and tortured. One showed a US soldier holding a prisoner on a strap made to look like a dog on a leash. Another showed a hooded man standing on a box and holding electrical wires.
In recent months, we've seen abuses here under our responsibility. And it's been a body blow for all of us. But it doesn't represent America. It doesn't represent American values. It doesn't represent the values of you, each of you here in this room.
Not long after, the New Yorker magazine reported that the Secretary of Defense, Donald Rumsfeld, was personally responsible for authorizing the use of torture at Abu Ghraib. A Senate report in 2008 also confirmed Rumsfeld's ties to the torture in Abu Ghraib and Guantanamo Bay. The Abu Ghraib torture scandal greatly tarnished the Bush administration and its war in Iraq. But most importantly, it revealed that, like many dictatorships, the US had little regard for the Geneva Convention during its so-called war on terror.